Alright guys, so this is room 2208 aboard the Carnival Breeze. This is a interior upper lower room. So this is a different situation. We're in the front of the ship. So you get two beds. Normally there's an upper and a lower, but this is actually a couch and a bed. So this is the first time we've ever had a room like this. So you have your TV, you have your fridge down here, and of course let's flip on this light switch. It's got a mirror with a little fancy spot, got some shelving up here going on, of course the safe, the phone. Everybody wants to know there's always a hair dryer in there, and then of course your other drawers. So guys, this is very spacious. I'm going to show you the cabinets quick. So the cabinets, this one you have shelves going all the way to the bottom. Then we got the hanging top to bottom, and the life jackets of course, and a whole bunch more hangers. But this room, it just feels big. So it feels bigger than normal because there's a lot of empty space where you can actually set up. So you have a table. Let's take a look at the bathroom. We're gonna turn the air down in here, so it is nice and cool. So here's coming into the bathroom, and you have your traditional shower, your toilet, and of course shelving space and everything you could need. So again guys, this is towards the front of the room, or front of the ship. We've never had a room like this. We decided to check it out. So you have a twin bed here and a twin bed over here, TV, and a lot of open space on the floor.